In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add conditional messages on various WooCommerce product category pages. We're going to achieve this functionality by using code. To do so, we'll need to install a plugin named Code Snippet. I've already installed and activated the same. In case you want to learn how to install a plugin, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. To configure the plugin, hover over Snippets and click on Add a Snippet. Now let me give this code snippet a name. And once done, simply add this code over here. I'll mention the code in the description, and you can copy it from there. This is the code to add a custom message on the WooCommerce product category page. You can add your message over here. Here you can select where to run the code. I want it only on the front end. Once done, simply save the changes and activate them. Now let's move back, and we're going to visit a category page. And you can see this custom message here. Now, this code script was for adding a custom message to all categories. If you want to add a custom message to a specific category page, then in order to do that, you need to move back to the code snippet window and simply add more code here. I'll leave this code in the description as well. Now, instead of the category here, we need to specify the specific category here. So let's move to categories. And you can see various categories here. You can simply add the category slug over here, and you can edit the message over here. Once done, simply save the changes. And now let's move back and check the code in action. Moving to the specific category page, you can see the custom message here. This is how easy it is to add conditional messages on various WooCommerce product category pages. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.